The subject of today's video is Google Ad changes for 2022, how to run an A/B test to see which of these changes works best for you. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate program that charges you to join. Do your research first. Okay, now let's start looking into these Google Ads changes for 2022. All right, as you can see, in this particular campaign, I've got in this ad group, I have a Slim T, which is going to be unpinned, and Slim T pinned. And let me show you what I mean by that. This will be the Slim T unpinned. As you can see, none of my headlines are pinned, and none of my descriptions are pinned. So this just runs willy-nilly according to Google Ads. And according to Google Ads, unpinned is what they favor. So we'll see with the A/B test. So I'm not saying go all unpinned. I'm saying run an A/B test first. If you have pinned ads, leave them pinned for now. Just copy it and do an unpinned and run it against your pinned ad and see what does better. Okay, this is the normal pinned ad. Again, all my headlines are pinned in order that I feel that they fit best. For instance, here is slimming all day, and then slimming. So this is what I felt was logical, and this is what I've done for a long time. But apparently, 2022 is a game changer in Google Ads. And of course, I also picked my favorite description and pinned that as one. Okay, another thing you want to look out for is keywords. This is the keywords in the unpinned. The keywords in the unpinned. As you can see, I've taken some of the long tail keywords here and changed them to broad match. Apparently, this is a new thing with Google. They like to see long keywords broad matched and not phrase matched or exact matched. So again, you need to run an A/B test to see if this works for you. Now this is my keywords for the pinned, and as you can see, I don't have any broad search in there. It's either exact or phrased, and with a real emphasis on long-tailed keywords. These are the longer keywords, 4 and 5 and 6 words long. And here's one that's 7 words long. So you're better off with long tail as a small Google advertiser, because the big boys are going to take the 1 and 2 keywords and bid the crap out of them. So try and stay away from the 1 and 2 words. If you think you must have them, do an exact match. All right. Okay, that's And I'll give you an update next week because I just started my split testing today on those on the pinned and unpinned ads, and I'll let you know what does better. Now, the simplest and best affiliate coaching program for affiliate marketing is Devin Brown and his 12-minute affiliate system. You can find his link below. And the best Google ad and clickbank training is with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach. And David does business-to-business software, selling affiliate marketing for software business-to-business. And I'm also enrolled with Partner with Anthony training program. And my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a Johnny in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get any of this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison or John Crestani or Devin Brown or Pajama Profits, just click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued marketing success.